Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today, we're going to be showing you how to make cayenne hot pepper sauce. Cue the music. Alright, well welcome back and thanks so much for watching. Like I said, today we're going to be showing you how to make a cayenne hot pepper sauce. So let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We are going to start out with a tablespoon of vegetable oil, 1 clove of fresh garlic, which we're going to cut and split in half, a quarter yellow onion, we're going to chop that up, 1 teaspoon of paprika, about 2 ounces of some fresh cayenne peppers. We're going to take the stems off and chop those up. We got 1 cup of white vinegar and a pinch of salt and pepper. Let's start doing it. Alright, we got our garlic, we got our onion here. I am just going to chop the onion a little rough like this. We're going to blend all this up. I just want to do this for the cooking purposes of it. And we're going to take our garlic and do the same thing. Just chop that up and throw it right into a smaller bowl, separate from our peppers, which we're going to do in a larger bowl. But I'm going to go ahead and cut all these peppers up. I'm just going to stem the peppers. Just going to take the stems off. Alright, now I just rough cut these to break them up so that the flavors and the oils inside can be mixed in with the garlic and the onions and the fragrances and everything else that's involved with this can be mixed up into it when we start cooking it over here in a minute. But you've got red one in here, you got a fresh one that I picked yesterday, you got some of these that are partially red, partially green that are starting to dry out. We have a plant out in our patio there along with some other kinds of peppers that we've got. But I'm just going to make a nice cayenne sauce with all these. Let's start doing that right now. Alright, as you can see, we have our mise en place all ready to go. Got our peppers, onions and garlic, oil, vinegar, paprika, and salt and pepper in the pan in which we are going to cook it. So I'm going to focus on that pan right now and we will start cooking. Alright, turn your heat on to about medium high just to get the pan hot. I'm going to put the oil right on in there and let that start heating up. Alright, let's add our onion and our garlic in there and let that start getting fragrant. Alright, add the paprika, some of the salt and pepper. And I'm just going to cook this until it really gets fragrant and the onions start to release some of their sugar. And this is about a medium heat. Alright, I'm smelling that paprika. I'm going to go ahead and throw the peppers in there. I'm going to mix this up real well. Just let that cook for a couple minutes. You just want to cook it till these peppers start to blister just a bit. As you can see, one right there. I tell you, it smells really good. Alright, now we got our vinegar. 2 cups, or 1 cup, I'm sorry. There's 2 of these, which equals a half cup in each bowl. But I'm going to go ahead, you're not really deglazing right here because this is, well, for one, such a fine pan that nothing really sticks to it. But you want to be able to, whatever, if there is anything scraping the bottom, make sure you get it into the mixture by scraping it off. But this pan is a fantastic pan and there's not a whole lot of deglazing going on, but it's still fun. It's showmanship. It's a cooking show. Alright, got all that mixed up. We're going to go ahead and put a lid. It's on a boil. You want it to get to a boil. Then you just want to turn it down to a simmer. Kind of mellow out those bubbles a little bit. We're going to put a lid on it. 20 minutes. We'll come back and see what it looks like. Alright, 20 minutes. Boy, if you're allergic or sensitive to vinegar, make sure that you don't breathe this in. You might want to open some windows. But everything's kind of broke down. Looks good. Looks like green beans to me. But turning this off, I'm going to take our mix. Let me back out a little bit here so you can see what we're doing here. I am just gonna take the pepper mixture and I'm going to put it in to our little blender here. And we're going to go over to here where we're going to cover up the blades on there. Might need to add a little bit of water to this, not sure yet. We're going to go ahead and just blend this up real well. See what it looks like. A lot of air in there. Yeah, I'm going to need to add some water. I'm going to put about a quarter cup of water in here. I'm going to blend this. You want to get the chunks to be broken up as much as possible. I don't see a whole lot in there. So, we're going to sieve this into a bowl. Kind of help it get through the mesh. Now this aggregate that's in there, you can save it, use it for something if you wanted to. I'm just going to toss it out. But there is our sauce. Now I am going to throw this into the refrigerator and let it cool for probably another 20 minutes, and we're going to bottle it up. Alright, it has cooled. It is about 40 degrees now. I put it in the freezer. I wanted to get it below 41 degrees. I'm going to pour it into this so it's easier to pour into the funnel as we bottle this up. So here we go, on camera. I'm not going to spill a drop. Well, there you go. Nice, beautiful bottle of cayenne pepper sauce. I hope you enjoyed this. It is, like I said, below 41 degrees, so we can put the lid right on there and put it into the refrigerator. This should hold for, I would say, about 3 months in your refrigerator. Let's pour it out and see what it looks like here as hot sauces go. Yeah, beautiful. That's a beautiful, beautiful hot sauce. Let's give it a taste. Got a bite, definitely got a bite. You can taste the garlic and the onions in there, and of course the vinegar. That paprika brings a little smokiness to it. That is very, very good. The recipe for this is also on my website, www.itsonlyfood.biz, www.itsonlyfood.biz. There we go, got a beautiful hot sauce. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to leave a comment down below, and don't forget to share this with everybody you know. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.